2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, automatic headlights, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, cruise control. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?